I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to show you how to install the Pubg version 1.5.0 in any Android device in less than 3 minutes. Yes friends, I'm going to show you in less than 3 minutes only. I'm not going to make this video very long. So first step, you need to download this Pubg APK version directly. You don't need any OBB file, anything, nothing at all. Directly one single file you need to download. So I did post the APK file directly in my Telegram group. So just type in the Telegram search bar Sai Tech Guru. You will get my channel which has got 4,462 members already subscribed, as you can see. Try to join my Telegram group, and there I'll try to post the direct APK. So you can directly download the APK from my Telegram group channel. So try to join in my Telegram group. So once you download the Telegram that APK file directly in your Android device, so try to uninstall the previous Pubg version what is available. So previous Pubg version is 1.4.0. So try to delete the previous version and then try to install this version, which is the version number 1.5.0. The size of this APK is going to be having 1 GB of size. Yes. So let me do quickly install. So I need to delete the previous version. So that is the reason it's. Otherwise, sometimes this APK won't be installed. So try to delete the previous version, which is 1.4.0. So let me try to open the same APK I'm trying to directly opening. So what happens is that sometimes you do require the VPN service to access. So mostly you don't require any kind of VPN access, but sometimes they do require. But let's see. Right now I'll try to open without using any kind of VPN whether the game will be opening or not. That is what I'm going to check. This is a new version, friends, which is a Pubg 1.5.0. As you can see, friends, exactly. You can see the latest update version as well. Let me try to fast forward everything and accept all. Let me try to log in with my Google Play account. Let's see whether I'll be able to log in or not. So if I don't get login, as you can see, if you see any this kind of error, I'll try to use the VPN service. So this is a VPN which I'm trying to use, which is the 1.1.1. Try to close the game and then try to turn on. As you can see, now I did turn on. And now let's open the Pubg game, which is a version 1.5.0. So I did turn on the VPN and then I'm trying to log in. So let's see, now the login should happen definitely. So this is the first time, only for the login purpose you do require the VPN, but later on you can even uninstall the VPN, doesn't matter, just for the login purpose only. So you can see the version number, which is a 1.5.0. As you can see right now, it got successfully logged in using the VPN service. So in this way you can actually download the APK from my Telegram group and install and download the VPN service. So there is no rule to follow only this VPN. You can even download any other VPN, doesn't matter. But in this way, you can actually install the Pubg version 1.5.0 in any Android device. So make sure to download very soon and join my Telegram group. And if you are really interested in this kind of videos on this kind of tips and tricks, so make sure to hit that subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget to donate some amount to this number, which is the 860-860-8325. Paytm or PhonePe would be really great, and GPay as well. And these are the subscribers who really donated today and yesterday as well. From yesterday only I started to ask this kind of donations to buy new phones. So in the future, because I don't get any kind of review units at this point, that is the reason I thought of asking help from my subscribers. So which they do, believe me, in terms of reviewing. That is the reason I thought of only spending this money to buy phones. Only phones, that's it. So in this way, the Pubg APK 1.5 you can actually install in any Android device. As you can see, friends, you get the login page and everything, new features and everything. So everything is completely new, and the Pubg version, which is a 1.5.0, is perfectly working in the Android device. As you can see, friends, in this way you can do that. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates, which I'll be definitely testing the same kind of APK in different smartphones. Recently I started to upload, as you can see, so many phones I started to upload. So make sure to follow those videos in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.